Alright, so today we about to install the Burger Motorsports PCV valve. Got a little smoke, so we're about to see if this fixes it. So first thing you gotta do is take off the crown. So you gotta take all this plastic off. I'm gonna throw that over there. Time for this side. Throw that over there. Move the sensor. Let's tuck it to the side. This sensor, we'll put them to the side too. Move the battery harness cable. This, I didn't put it back up since last time. Leave that there. My crown is not bolted on. Only these two bolts. Go down here too quick. Just pull it out. Easy. 30 minutes saved. Put this down here. Now that everything's exposed, time we gotta take off the engine cover next. Engine cover. This is a T30, I believe. 3 bolts. Easy. Crack this rip. Engine cover off. We're gonna set this aside. Well, here goes the PCV. It's a little tricky. You gotta like pry these two sides at the same time and pull it off. Be careful not to break it. Pry this shit off with the camera in my hand, but you're gonna take 2 flat heads. You're gonna pry each side and pull this shit back at the same time, and it should come loose. It's like this. There it goes. PCV valve off with a little flapper shit. Alright, next you're gonna remove cap for the PCV valve. I'm using a 14mm socket. I can loosen this with my hand now. It's still a little tight. Okay. It's just loose enough. Pull it right out to the cap. Set that up top. Get the PCV valve up in here. Let's see. I might need some pliers to pull that out. Give me a sec. You just gotta get a little tug from the pliers. Damn, son, get an exhaust. But don't worry about the threading. It pulls right out. I don't even think this shit works. This is the stock plastic BMS metal. Hopefully we don't gotta move that fuel on. I'm gonna see if I could just put it back in real quick. You know, you're gonna put the BMS PCV valve. You're gonna squish it right in. Should fit in. It's a little tense. It's a little fatter, but goes right in, no modifications. That's why I choose this over the RB1. OEM quality fitment. And you don't even need to remove the fuel line. Screw it back in. Screw it back in from hand real quick. So right now, I'm using the 13 start point, long socket. Fits better than the other one I was using. And you tighten this. And make sure you don't do it too tight. You don't break the plastic. This is all plastic. I'm being cautious. Don't over torque it. You just want this to sit flush. Nice. One more turn. Put this torque down. Put the little flapper back on. The flapper. That's it. Put the crown back on and everything is done. You start up the car. We're gonna do a little start up to make sure everything is good. See if the shit holds boost pressure, and you know you're good to go. Started up the car. Look like it's good. About to read to see if you got any codes. Read codes, no codes. Looks good. Looks good. Alright, I'm guessing you guys want to go for a spin. So we're about to go for a spin. See if it hold boost. I ain't like that pull. I think I'm on the wrong map. There we go. JB4 is off. We're gonna put it on auto tune for right now. Now we get to see the difference.